Now the quick selection tool is kind of nice. Let's go ahead and go to number 2, quick selection. And you can see the quick selection tool is underneath your magic wand tool. So you just click and hold and it should be there. Often it's the default tool in that area. And it just allows you to click and drag, and it sort of combines the magic wand with your brush. So you just click and drag, and you can see I can hold down Option. I can zoom in, reduce my brush size. Left and right brackets is a nice shortcut for changing your brush size rather than having to go up here. And I can hold down Option and kind of paint. You can see it's not a perfect. See how it doesn't do everything just right. And in fact, the only reason I don't recommend using this tool very often is because it's inside our select and mask. And the next set of videos is going to really talk about select and mask. But you can see I can make a selection, you know, in the ballpark and hit copy C, Command C and Command V, get onto its own layer. For this broccoli, I can do the same thing, make my brush a little bigger. It'll work quicker. Just click and drag. I can let go, so I don't have to do this in one fell swoop. And for something like this that's really bumpy, I might give this a shot rather than pen tooling it. But if it's important and or if you're getting paid, don't be afraid to use the pen tool. Okay, but quick selection tool, what's important is that you have the sample all layers. Auto enhance is, well, it's not as useful when you can later on go to select and mask. So for the most part, this tool is just important that you understand what it does so we can use a version of it later.